Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Now I know we need to address this elephant in the room, okay, because your girl has not recorded a video in like 6 months. Like the last time I made a video I think was either February or March. Like what? Like it has been so long, but my life has been so busy, like ups and downs and runarounds, okay, trust me. But I am back and I'm hoping this time ain't nothing gonna mess up my little schedule like I got going on here. But yes, I have missed recording so much. I haven't been away from YouTube because trust me, I be watching everybody's videos still, but I just haven't been creating content. So yeah, a lot has been going on. We gonna sit and chit chat and kind of talk about what's been going on with me and what I want to do with my channel going forward and all of that good stuff. So just stay tuned. So first things first, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody for sticking with your girl. It has been a long time coming because I haven't recorded a video in like forever. So thank you to all of my subscribers, both old and new. I know you guys haven't seen my face in a while, but I'm glad that you guys are here. I know you guys are back. So yes, thank you guys so much. Okay, so for some of my newer subscribers who subscribed to me this year, you guys might have known that I started a new weight loss journey, but your girl still got a big round head, so you know I haven't really lost any more weight since the last time I made a video. I think I was at around 270 something, and I'm still kind of around that mark. I've gained a few more pounds. I'm around 280 something now. I haven't really been watching the scale too much because I'm not happy with where it is. I completely fell off my weight loss journey. Like, y'all, losing weight is so hard. Like, losing weight is so hard, especially when your schedule is so unfunctional to kind of be on a weight loss journey. Like, I don't know, like I could just be finding excuses for myself, but losing weight is so hard. But trust me, I plan to start again and try to get back into a new whole workout routine and eating healthy routine and get myself situated. So I am going to be starting a new weight loss journey, and I will definitely come back here and announce that I'm starting it. I haven't figured out when I'm going to start yet because I'm trying to get everything scheduled and proper. Like, I need to cross my T's and dot my I's before I start back this weight loss journey, because trust me, it is so difficult. Like, it is so hard. And this time I'm gonna do the at-home route. Like, I'm not even going to go to the gym just because I wouldn't be able to because I have my daughter here, but I am going to work out from home because it really worked for me in January. So I'm going to be doing that again. So yeah, I'm going to make another video talking all about my weight loss journey, all of that good stuff. So make sure you guys stay tuned. So yes, like I said, a lot has been going on with me. I ain't losing no more weight because it's hard. I have moved. I have a new place now, which is exciting. My daughter was in Jamaica for some time and she's now back here with myself and my husband. So I'm looking forward to doing like some family type vlogs and some like house decor, DIY, cleaning routine stuff, because I like watching people's cleaning routine. I like to watch people clean their bathroom because then I want to clean my bathroom. I like seeing people clean their kitchen because then I'm like, ooh, I can clean my kitchen like that. You know what I'm saying? So I want to do videos like that as well. So I have a bunch of things that I do have planned in my head and written down that I do want to produce for you guys. It's just finding the time to do it. Okay, it's hard to record when you have like a 2-year-old. My daughter's going to be 2 next month. And like, she's sleeping now, so I need to hurry up and record this video before she wake up, because when she wake up, she's going to be all up in the video. She loves the camera. Like, if I take out my phone and I'm on Snapchat, and by the way, y'all should follow me on Snapchat because I always post on Snapchat, so make sure you guys follow me. My name is right here, so make sure you guys follow me. So yeah, anytime I'm on Snapchat, I'm about to take a picture, like I hold up the phone, I'm just like, she just be wanting to be all up in there, like, girl, bye. Like, she just love the camera. So yeah, I have to figure out a schedule on when I'm going to record. I'm probably going to record on the weekends because then my husband can keep her while I can record, or I can try to squeeze in a little recording session when she's sleeping. I don't know yet. I gotta figure it out. I don't even know if this is gonna be my regular recording space. I'm just in my bedroom right now. I don't know if I'm gonna continue to record here. I don't know. We recently moved here. We moved here about a month ago. But when we moved, I went to Jamaica right after. So we literally moved in the first week of September. I went to Jamaica the second week of September. I came back the third week of September. And I went back to work the fourth week of September. So I've been so busy in September. Like, I'm so glad that tomorrow is October the 1st. New month, new beginning, new routines, new schedules, new all of that good stuff. So yeah, I pretty much just wanted to come out here and let y'all know that your girl is back. She gonna be back in that game. I'm gonna be doing fitness videos. I want to do plus size lookbooks and plus sizey stuff. I think I'm gonna make my channel a more fitness, plus size, family vlog type channel. Of course, yes, I'm gonna still do a little bit of makeup here and there. We're just gonna go with the flow and see what it is. If you guys have specific requests on what you guys want to see me do, then let me know. And I know a lot of you guys came from my weight loss journey, and I feel so bad that I let you guys down. Like, I feel bad that I let myself down, much less, but I'm so upset that I let you guys down when it came to my weight loss journey. Like, I am so sorry, y'all. If you guys are on a weight loss journey and y'all are still going strong, kudos to y'all, okay? Like, y'all are the real MVP. I'm so happy that you guys continue to stick to it. If y'all fell off the train tracks, I feel you, because I fell off too. Yo, losing weight is hard. Like, it's hard to lose weight, okay? I'm not gonna lie, it's so hard. So yeah, that's all I pretty much just wanted to come out and say. I just want to let you guys know that I am I just wanted to come back and let you guys know that I'm going to be back. I'm going to be creating more content. I'm going to be creating new videos, and I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. So make sure you guys follow me on all of my social media so you can keep up with me. I will leave my Snapchat and my Instagram on the screen. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like. And like I said before, if you have any comments or any suggestions on videos you want to see, leave them down below so your girl can make them, because, you know, I want to make things that y'all want to watch, okay? So yes, this video is kind of all rambly and all over the place, but that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can record something else while this little girl is still sleeping. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Girl, where you been? What? Girl, where you been? What? Girl, where you been? What?